ugly duckling, or the beautiful queen, however you want to see it. So today's vlogmas day, 19. So if you can't tell, I'm so nervous because if you follow me on Instagram or my other baking account Instagram, I bake a lot. But the thing is, this is like intense. So there's there's a lot of dairy. So that's all the cream. Sometimes I think for some of them I can just substitute with milk, but I'll try to take the cream. And then those are all the eggs. A lot of eggs and butter. Wow. Okay, so now I have some chopped chocolate, and now I'm just adding some cream to it. So this will hopefully be a ganache, I think. Okay, I think it's starting. Okay. Now to add some butter. One thing that's so strange that I'm adding mayo to this cake recipe, and not just one, but 2/3 of a cup. That's more mayo than I've ever added to a cake before, but here we go. I guess I'll keep it moist, I guess. It's snowing sugar and almond. Hey Google, pause.
Got it. I put it on pause.
What?
Shut up on it.
Okay, so time has passed. Now these are candy cane macarons. Hopefully they rise. You have to slam it harder than that. So they look. Hopefully the candy canes melt, but not enough where they're gone. I'm testing it. This is just pure cranberry sauce or jam inside, and this has cranberry sauce and a bit of jam, a bit of whipped cream as well. Mom, try this one. This one's just jam.
No, you're not taking my picture.
I'm taking it's literally of me. Oh my god, I recorded nothing, but here's the finished macarons. These are the good ones. These are the ones with character. Okay, so this is coming together in a solid mass. Macarons are in the oven, and this is for the eclairs or cream puffs, whichever one I want to do.
I'll give it to her early because good job, Kenny. Oh, it's okay. We're doing this all today. The girls are also sitting there because we all know how. I'm going out clothes. I have chill clothes as well. Just lots of montages today. Might possibly need.
Yeah, salmon taco. Now for dinner, before I continue, we have tacos, fish tacos, and beef tacos, also lettuce wraps. LOL, so I have no energy, so this is gonna be a tomorrow thing. Those are the good macarons, the bad macarons, and then the cream puffs need to be filled. So now it's the next day, so now it's time to pipe everything. I think I may have burned the bottom, but it still tastes good. And then I'll put it here to transfer. It's literally the next day. I did such a good job vlogging how I made everything, but they're in the fridge now. So they're here, and then I'm gonna bring it to work. Hopefully they're good. I do have to save some for Jared and my friend Heather, because I think they're coming later to work, or at least one of them is, and I don't know when the other person's coming. So my mom just gets a shower now. Okay, so I'm probably gonna bring a small container just to bring it. Hopefully this is long enough. I think. Yeah. Claire, can you make these? Yeah. Just be careful of the almonds.